sensory writing trays are such a fun way to get kids learning music as well as letters and numbers. My 1-year-old has really responded to this method of learning. First, I show how to draw a C note, and then Ryan practices his notes using white sand and his finger. It's so much fun. He really enjoyed doing this.
We have a treble clef.
Students who are new to the staff, as well as those who have been working with it for a while, can benefit from a kinesthetic experience. Being able to touch and feel the lines and spaces gives students a new awareness that they can apply when they are reading notes on the page. I've used pipe cleaners for making lines and treble clef, and pom-pom shapes as notes. Ryan loves the fuzzy feeling and the colors. There are lots of ways it can be used for students of all different levels. In future, it can be also used for practicing intervals, note naming, chord building, or key signature.
Какая-то A. This is A. This is B. Это F. This is E. This is D. This is C. And this one is G. Ладушки, ладушки, где были у бабушки? Clap, clap.
Clapping activities are another fundamental part of teaching music to young children. Hand clapping songs benefit adults. When adults engage in these games from childhood, they report feeling less tense and their mood improves.
That's low sound, right? Oh, Мишка ходит тут. The bear walking here. Bear walking. Bear walk. And how's the mouse running? Mouse is running here.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.